Welcome to Protect Nature. Today, we take a dramatic journey through some of the most terrifying natural disasters ever recorded. From massive earthquakes that split the earth to giant tsunamis that swept away entire cities, these images are more than just terrifying scenes. They are stark examples of the brutal and unpredictable power of nature. Join us as we explore 60 chilling moments that remind us of the fragility of life and the need to protect our planet from the unbridled fury of nature. Start this emotional journey now. The huge dust storm seemed to want to sweep everything into the air. Have you ever seen such a big storm beyond imagination? The landslide was too dangerous for vehicles to pass through. Earthquake causes serious damage in Japan. The power of the waves is unstoppable. The muddy floodwaters seem to want to sweep away the bridge. The tornado was so strong, luckily they were safe. Huge dark clouds are coming. This storm is going to be huge. A powerful earthquake in Japan shook the supermarket. The upstream flood devastated the small town. The forest is being torn apart by the storm. The wind is too strong. Oh my God! The house collapsed because of the landslide. The whole city was devastated by the flood. It was terrible. The blizzard was so strong, it was really alarming. The storm is really strong. It is very dangerous to go out. Oh my God! The rocks are falling from the mountain. It's so dangerous. The flood is coming, sweeping away everything it comes across. The impact of the tsunami in Japan, the damage is too great. The tornado was so strong that it knocked down a big tree onto the road. Two men are trying to save the poor dog from the strong flood. The landscape was destroyed by the tsunami. The tornado in the desert seemed to want to sweep everyone into the air. The birds are flying around in chaos. A disaster is about to happen. The flood submerged the town. So painful. The earthquake was felt very clearly by people traveling on the river. The tornado damaged traffic lights and blew off roofs. Dozens of cars were swept away by the flood. It was so scary. The flood came with great force. Hope everyone is safe. The car could not withstand the force of the wave. The hail was so big, it damaged the cars. Oh my God! The house is being swept away by the flood. Nothing can stop it. The tree roots could not withstand the strong winds. The flood came so fast that people couldn't react in time. The flood has flooded the highway, making it difficult to move. Muddy water is tearing through the small town. The boat was having to cross the rough sea. Everything was so rough. The car became too fragile and small before the big storm. Can you imagine how big this storm was? The trees in the garden became weak before the storm was too strong. The hail was so large that it was dangerous to travel. Lightning strikes continuously, too dangerous. The storm was so strong that many branches of the tree were broken. It was so terrible. The volcano erupted after many years. The power of the tornado was so terrible that it wanted to blow away the tower. The flood is too big. It is submerging everything. It is too dangerous. The power of the blizzard was so terrible that it was impossible to move. Giant tornadoes are covering the sky. Thank you for being brave enough to face the terrible power of nature with Protect Nature. These moments not only make us amazed, but also sound a warning about the responsibility to protect the environment and the survival of being prepared for any emergency. If you feel the need for this message, please like, share, and subscribe to the channel to continue exploring the mysteries and dangerous challenges of the planet. We cannot stand aside in protecting the Earth, the only home of humanity. See you in the next video of Protect Nature.